Question. The correct shape and hybridization of BRF5 is option A square pyramidal and sp3d2, square pyramidal and d2sp3, trigonal bipyramidal and sp3d2, trigonal bipyramidal and d2sp3. This question was asked in NEET 2024. Steric number. Steric number formula is half number of valence electrons plus number of atoms attached by sigma bonds plus or minus charge. Here half plus number of valence electrons in bromine is 7. Bromine has 7 valence electrons because bromine is a halogen. Plus number of atoms attached by sigma bonds. How many fluorines are there? 5. So 5 plus or minus charge. This has neutral molecule, so charge is 0. That means 12 by 2. That means 6. In 6 pairs, 5 bond pairs are present and 1 lone pair is present. 5 bond pairs remaining are lone pairs. So 6 total pairs. So 6 total pairs ki 1s, 3p and 2d. Hybridization is sp3d2. The shape of the BRF5 is square pyramidal and hybridization is sp3d2. So option A is the right answer. I already upload 2 videos on VSCPR theory. One is postulates of VSCPR theory and another one is to predict the shape and hybridization of any molecule based on the VSCPR theory using steric number formula. It is very useful to who prepare EAMCET, mains and NEET also. Once check the video, and if you like the content, subscribe my channel and share it to your friends also. Thank you.